AI agents and human collaboration. As AI agents continue to evolve, their role in human AI collaboration is becoming more critical. Rather than replacing humans entirely, AI agents are increasingly designed to work alongside people, enhancing their capabilities and enabling them to perform more efficiently. This collaborative relationship is often referred to as augmented intelligence, where AI augments rather than replaces human decision making. In this chapter, we explore how AI agents are enhancing human capabilities and their role in shaping augmented intelligence systems. Enhancing human capabilities with AI agents. One of the primary benefits of AI agents is their ability to enhance human capabilities by handling routine, repetitive, or data-intensive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more strategic, creative, or complex work. AI agents are increasingly embedded in various work environments, from customer service and healthcare to finance and manufacturing, where they provide valuable support in improving decision-making, optimizing workflows, and increasing productivity. In healthcare, for example, AI agents are used to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing vast amounts of medical data, such as lab results, radiology images, and patient histories. By processing this data quickly and accurately, AI agents help doctors identify patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed, leading to faster diagnoses and more personalized treatment plans. This collaboration allows doctors to focus on patient care while the AI handles data-driven insights. In finance, AI agents assist human analysts by evaluating complex datasets in real time to identify investment opportunities or assess risks. AI agents can process market data, social media sentiment, and historical trends at a speed and scale beyond human capability, providing valuable insights for making informed decisions. In doing so, financial analysts can make more strategic investment decisions, benefiting from the AI's real-time analysis without being overwhelmed by data. Creative industries are also seeing the rise of AI agents that support human creativity. For instance, AI-powered tools like DALL-E and Runway ML assist artists and designers by generating original images, artwork, and even video content based on human input. These tools enhance human creativity by providing inspiration or executing time-consuming aspects of the creative process, leaving humans to focus on the conceptual and emotional elements of their work. The role of AI agents in augmented intelligence. The concept of augmented intelligence refers to AI systems designed to complement human intelligence by providing support in tasks that require data processing, pattern recognition, or optimization. In this model, AI agents work in tandem with humans to improve decision-making, rather than replacing humans entirely. Augmented intelligence is particularly valuable in industries where human judgment, ethics, or creativity is essential, but where AI can provide enhanced support by managing the complexity and scale of information. In customer service, for example, AI agents are used to handle initial customer inquiries, process routine requests, and provide answers to frequently asked questions. However, when faced with more complex problems or sensitive customer issues, these AI systems escalate the interaction to human agents who are better equipped to handle nuanced customer concerns. By collaborating with AI agents, human customer service representatives can handle more challenging cases with the support of real-time AI-generated suggestions or historical context on the customer's interactions. In manufacturing, AI agents are used to monitor machinery, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production processes. However, human engineers remain essential in overseeing operations, making decisions in complex or unexpected situations, and ensuring that safety protocols are followed. In this way, AI agents optimize the efficiency of manufacturing processes, while humans provide oversight and strategic direction, ensuring that the system operates safely and effectively. In legal and compliance environments, augmented intelligence helps lawyers and regulatory experts sift through vast amounts of case law, regulations, and legal documents. AI agents can quickly extract relevant information, organize it, and present key insights, enabling legal professionals to focus on interpretation, strategy, and decision-making. The combination of AI's ability to process large amounts of legal data and the human lawyer's expertise leads to more efficient case preparation and decision-making. Conclusion. AI agents play a pivotal role in augmenting human intelligence across a wide range of industries, enhancing our ability to process information, make decisions, and execute tasks more efficiently. Through collaboration with AI, humans are empowered to focus on higher level strategic, creative, and ethical considerations, while AI agents handle the heavy lifting of data processing and routine tasks. The future of work is likely to see further integration of AI into human workflows, creating symbiotic relationships that improve outcomes in areas ranging from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and creative industries. As AI continues to evolve, the concept of augmented intelligence will become even more central to how humans and machines work together.